Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Samsung Galaxy M56. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Then click all services and you have to find parental controls. And then click let's do this. Now click sign in. Enter your lock screen pattern. And here you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. And now scroll down and click accept. Now click on supervise and then click next, and here you have to enter your parent email address and you have to enter your parent password and now you have to scroll all the way down and here you have to enter your child password again. Now you have to scroll down and click next, then click allow, and here scroll down again and click next, and click done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.